Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today's DIY is a bracelet tutorial. This video is a request. Right here, we're going to get right into this video. I have wooden beads, assorted colors and sizes, and these are called bead caps, guys. This is what I'll be using to accessorize my bracelet. I also have clear elastic stretch cord for my bracelets. Once I figured out what caps I'm going to use for the size bead that I have, then this is when I begin to start threading my bracelet together. I put one of the caps on first, then I put a bead on, and I put another cap on top of that. And this is how you accessorize your beads with the bead caps. So I just continued on. I put one regular bead and then the next bead I would cap. So I followed that pattern throughout the making of this bracelet. Here I'm choosing a smaller bead because I ran out of the large bead caps. And right here you see I was having a little bit of a moment, and what I wound up doing is cutting an angle on the tip of my cord, and it made it much easier to string my beads and the accessories. And these things are so small, guys. You really it really is a little bit of a struggle getting these caps situated to even thread them. But once I put the angle on my cord, at the end of my cord, I was moving right along. And this is what we have so far. It's coming along, guys. It's coming along. And guys, if you like the content that I've put out so far, give me a thumbs up for a like. And if you are new to my channel and you are not a current subscriber, or you have been viewing my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, then tap the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Once the beads and caps are all strung together, I tie the ends once and then I loop another knot, but I do a double loop in that knot. Then I tie it tight, well, not too tight, it's just firmly. After the knot is secured, Then I try on the bracelet, see how much room is in it. Make sure it's nice, you know, a nice fit. Once I'm sure about the fit, then I go ahead and glue my knot. I just put a little dab of glue, and what I'm using is, it's called Aleene's Jewelry and Metal Glue. So I just put a dab on the end of a stick, a small dowel, and I set it to the side while I re-secure my knot before adding the glue. And there we have it. Now I just let it sit and dry. Now I'm just going to clip off these tips, or these tails is what they're called. And this is what we have. I think they turned out really cute. And for the young lady who requested this video, thank you so much. I enjoyed doing this video for you and those of you who were interested also. And guys, if you all like the content that I put out in my video today, hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel or a current viewer. Tap that notification bell to get notified about my new uploads, which the next one will be. The future DIY project series will begin. And also share, comment below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY video. Bye-bye.